Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile here today. Got another unboxing for you. This is actually a package that came in from eBay because you can't buy these new anymore, and I've been wanting a pair ever since I heard my buddies a few years ago. And these are the Emotiva Airmotive 3B speakers. So these are a small pair of, I don't know, I guess you call them monitors, but they're kind of more like little Bluetooth speakers. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. We got another box. Cool. I'm gonna put my knife away for just a minute. And the reason I want these is for traveling when I go like to see my parents or, you know, wherever it may be on trips. I'm not doing a lot of that right now because, dang, dude. Wow, because it is still COVID. If you're watching this in the future. How am I gonna get this out of here? Ah! Well, you know what? I'm just gonna open that box right there. Forget taking them out of there, man. And I want to connect these to my iPad, and I'm gonna use them kind of as like a makeshift traveling soundbar. I tried a few iPad soundbar type speakers, one from Logitech, one from Tautronics, other band I don't remember, and they kind of sucked. Let's be honest. They weren't any better audio quality than my iPad speakers, which are pretty decent, but I have an older iPad. I think it's the 7th gen, and it has no stereo separation. Both the speakers are on the bottom, so I'm watching in landscape. There's no stereo separation. So what I want to do with these is, oh man, those are chunky boys. That's metal. You can probably hear that there. And I'm gonna lay them like this, and then next to each other. I'll get them out and show you. This looks like the passive one. Yep, that's the passive speaker, I do believe. Maybe not. No, I think it is. Ooh, a nice rubbery bottom. Everybody loves a nice rubbery bottom, huh? Yeah, I think this is the passive speaker. That must be the connection port right there. I thought it'd be like speaker wire, but it doesn't look like it. Oh well. But man, and this weighs more than some larger Bluetooth speakers that are supposed to have 2 speakers in them weigh. Nice little cute slot port right there. As you can see with my hand. These guys are pretty small, but they're supposed to be pretty great. And I have heard them. A friend of mine has them, and he uses them in his regular sized living room, and they do a pretty good job filling out that space. Especially, he has a subwoofer connected to them, which I don't have a sub out, but he has it set up so it works. I do know that these are supposed to come with a damaged box, and it is. You can probably see that there. But they're only $100 on eBay, and that's the cheapest I've seen them in a long time. So hopefully they work. I may, if I have time, do a test video, see if I can get them working. I'm trying to see, I thought they had an auxiliary input. I mean, that's it right there. And then this goes to the other speaker. One's aux, and then one's power, one's the other speaker. This is probably the aux up here. Because that's how he uses them, with a splitter and then a subwoofer. So yeah, I'm hoping to lay them like this by each other. We'll get the other one. Now I'm just kind of playing around. You don't have to watch this, but yeah. And then set my iPad on top of there. That might work pretty good. We'll see, I guess. They're nice and compact. One thing is they're not light, so they're not going to be like, you know, the lightest speaker ever, but wow. I'm pretty impressed with these. What I've heard, they are quite good. I'll probably do a review in the future, see what else is in here. Some packets. Oh, I was like, where's the power cord and stuff? Here's the accessory box, which has, wow, chunky power cord. Oh, it's like a two segment. Yeah, I don't see the other half of the IEC power cord here, so hopefully, well, I know I do have one, but it'd be nice if that had been included, unless I dropped it. Let's look in here. See, oh, phew, another box. Here it is. There's the other part of the IEC power cord. Good. And then, now these are not battery powered, so you have to have them plugged in, but how I use them, I think that'll work out fine. This must be the speaker connector cord, and then this is the aux cable. Decent thick aux cable. Man, yeah, that's a nice aux cable. I was thinking of getting my own, but I might actually use this one because this is a decent one. But who knows? I still might, because this is pretty big for what I need. And that looks like it. Accessory box. Anything else in here except for the moisture pack, which I don't want to get out. My cat might eat it. Yeah, 2 moisture packs. I'll probably set this box aside. I may plug these in, see if they work, and then film another video. I'll let you know. The only trick is finding copyright-free audio. It wouldn't be a sound clip though. Maybe I'll just play one of my videos. All right, I'm gonna work on that and maybe see you in a couple minutes here. Okay, I'm back. I got them working. I was a little bit nervous there. It took me a while to get them to turn on, or actually to get the right input, but it was more operator error than anything that's wrong with these speakers. So I'll turn it up here. This is just my video. It's my Battles of the Budget Center channel. If you haven't seen that video, I'd encourage you to check it out. It took a lot of work, so if you don't mind, check it out. But yeah, here they are, connected, working well. So I'm glad for that, and I'm glad that you watched this video. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna turn this down. Also, if you do like this kind of content, check out my Patreon as well as my Buy Me a Cup of Coffee. Links are in the description down below. And remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.